Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're driving through downtown Kingston today and we're going to drive on King Street. So we're turning left onto King Street. We're currently on Ocean Boulevard and we're turning left onto King Street. That massive building on the right, that's the ROK Hotel. It used to be the Oceana Hotel and then it was the Ministry of Health building. On the left is the Tax Administration of Jamaica downtown building. On the right is a plaza and a lot of office stores. Okay, on the left is the Department of Correctional Services. King Street is one of the main streets in downtown Kingston. It runs from Ocean Boulevard all the way to Parade. And then it also runs from National Hero Circle down to Parade. So it's like the street is split in two when you reach a Parade area. And now on the left and the right is office stores. Now on the right is probably the most popular building on King Street. This is the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Now there was a time when this was probably the most popular area or the busiest area in Jamaica. It's the Supreme Court building there also. Like on the left is a store now, but it used to be the head office for NCB. But the head office has now moved to the New Kingston area. So you find downtown for numerous reasons. A lot of the banks and things have moved their head office from down here to New Kingston, and New Kingston is a more modern city or area, I would say. It's not a city, it's an area. And straight ahead is a park. I think it's a William Garden Park. And New Kingston has more modern facilities. Downtown Kingston has been around for hundreds of years, so you know, and it's fully developed. This area especially, this is now Parade. And we're on South Parade. We're going to turn right onto West Parade, then go to North Parade, and then come back around to East Parade. Parade basically runs around the park. So if you need to build like newer buildings and things, that's why they have the New Kingston area. Also, it's New Kingston is the business district, or it's like the Wall Street of Jamaica. So you'll find most of the banks and financial institutions have moved their head office or offices. They still have offices here, but like the head offices moved to New Kingston. And in terms of shopping now, downtown Kingston is still, I guess you could say, a hot spot. People come down here like Orange Street, Princess Street, a lot of wholesales, haberdasheries. So a lot of people come down here to buy in bulk, like wholesale stuff. And downtown Kingston is the second busiest place in Jamaica, and it also has a lot of very historic sites because this town was built, or the city was built, hundreds of years ago. Actually, it was after the earthquake in Port Royal that Kingston became so popular, because after Port Royal was destroyed by the earthquake, Kingston started to blossom, you could say, and get developed, and just took off from there. And for those who aren't Jamaican, this park is named after William Garden, and he's a national hero in Jamaica. I think also Garden House, where the government of Jamaica meets, the parliament, is also named after him. Okay, for instance, take a look at this building on the left with the bricks. That's a very historic building, and you can tell by the architecture that it was built a very long time ago. Okay, so we just drove around Parade. If we turn left here, we'd go on to East Queen Street. If we were to go straight, we would go on to Church Street. Alright, let's go on to Church Street. Now, the part of King Street we just came from, that runs from Ocean Boulevard to Parade, that's the road is can go in both directions. But when you come in from National Hero Circle down to Parade, that part of King Street is a one-way, so we couldn't access it from Parade. We'd have to go all the way back up to National Hero Circle and take the road coming down. Okay, this intersection in front of us is Barry Street. What is the name of this road now? Not sure. It's definitely not Harbour Street. I think this one is Orange Street. Oh, does Orange Street run? Tower Street, sorry. This is Tower Street. Orange Street runs north-south. This is Tower Street. This intersection now is Harbour Street. Okay, this intersection now is Port Royal Street. And straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbour, and that road is Ocean Boulevard. So we're going to turn left on Ocean Boulevard, and straight ahead is a nice view of the Kingston Harbour. Okay, on the left is the Jamaica Conference Center, which is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. The largest is the Montego Bay Convention Center. Straight ahead is the Bank of Jamaica building, and then that building with the black glass, that's the Scotiabank Center, and that's actually the second tallest building in Jamaica. Okay, so we're on Ocean Boulevard, but at the light we're going to go on to Duke Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.